Hi everyone, this is Jada with Kicksite, and in today's video, we're going to focus on family payment methods. So your payment methods, as a reminder, would be card information or personal checking account information that is stored in Kicksite to be able to use for any type of finances. So we're going to go to finances here, and then we're going to go ahead and select our payment methods tab across the top. When we're in our payment methods tab, we'll select add new, and then in the search bar, you'll go ahead and type in the family name. Make sure you select the family name from the drop down and put in the card information that is appropriate. So say we add in this one. If we want to add a label, just as a reminder, this is your way to be able to differentiate between multiple payment methods that might be stored for a particular family or a particular student. Not required or mandatory, but you can. Now, when we add that payment method for the family, we will be able to see it here. Now, why it's important for you to add it to the family rather than a individual student is if it is added to the family and all students are connected to that family, you will be able to use that card for those students. So if I were to go to my Jada account and say we wanted to go ahead and pay this open balance here, I can go ahead and pay open balance. When I choose that payment, I will be able to see the cards that are connected to Jada specifically or individually, but now you can see the family card. This icon will be your distinction between cards that are connected to families that you're able to use or cards that are not connected to a family that are connected to an individual, and then just select the correct payment method and you can go ahead and pay out whatever payment we need to do so.